We are given that a hypothesis test has been carried out. It is one for the population mean to be 65,000, and the alternative hypothesis is one such that the population mean is less than 65,000. A sample of 43 fans are used, and the sample mean has been calculated to be 64,230. So if you were to let sigma square be the population variance, that means sigma square is the variance of x, then the test statistics, which is one that is for the sample mean, is going to follow a normal distribution because n is large. That's why through central limit theorem, we can rewrite this as a normal distribution where the mean is 65,000 and the variance is going to be the population variance divided by the sample size, 43. It is further given to us that at 5% level of significance, there is no reason to reject the null hypothesis, which means that if I were to take reference from the test statistics, we are looking at a bell curve where the center of our bell curve is 65,000. Since we are looking at the left tail test, the critical region is going to be on the left hand side, and it is a 5% test, so the area here is going to be 0.05. And since there is no reason to reject the null hypothesis, we know that the sample mean has to fall outside the critical region. That means the sample mean is going to be somewhere here, 64230, which means that the area that is on the left hand side of the sample mean, this area, has to be bigger than 0.05. So to not reject H0, we are looking at a case where the area that is on the left hand side of this, so less than 64230, this is going to be an area that is bigger than 0.05. So making use of this, let's try to do a standardization to bring in sigma square. Standardizing the left hand side here, this is going to become Z. Standardizing the right hand side of this, it will be 64230 minus 6500 divided by the square root of this, which is going to be sigma square over 43. And this is still going to be bigger than 0.05. So if I were to press into my calculator for inverse norm to find this, 64230 minus 65000 divided by the square root of sigma square divided by 43. From my calculator, this is negative 1.6449, and the inequality sign here is going to be bigger than, which means that 64230 minus 65000. This one, if I were to bring it across to the other side, it is going to be negative 1.6449. Negative, since we divide it across to the other side, the inequality sign here will switch. This is positive. If I were to multiply across, it will still remain the same. So we have sigma square divided by 43, which means that the square root of sigma square, this is going to be bigger than 64230 minus 6500, this divided by negative 1.6449. Square root of 43, let's multiply across to the other side. So here it will be a square root of 43. If I were to square both sides, that means sigma square is going to be bigger than 942,000.